What are we doing? Yeah, what are we doing?
I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna go out. I'm gonna check outside. Okay. I'm gonna go check out. Wait. Why is it raining? Turn on the music. Winter storm again. We're having a winter storm.
Yep. Wait, again?
Yeah.
No.
Wait, again? Yeah.
Yep.
I just checked outside and it was raining.
What? No! Why is it doing this? Why is this happening?
I don't know.
Now what are we gonna do?
I do not know. Yeah, we don't not know. Yep.
We just can't.
Yeah. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know why it does this all the time. It did this yesterday. No, it did not do it yesterday. I don't know why it does this all the time. Yeah, wait. Yeah. There's a cat behind us. So, Kirby, stop. Yeah, stop, Kirby. No, wait, check. You are right. Just gotta watch. I want to watch some TV.
Me too.
Kirby, go sit there. Hey! Kirby! No, not Kirby. What's your name? Oh, yeah, it's our cat. His name's Meowscles.
You mean Meowscles?
Yeah, Meowscles. So, what do you guys want to do? Yeah,
We can't watch. Wait, can we watch TV?
Yeah, we can.
Well, I'm half afraid of that because it's snowing.
It's not snowing, it's raining right now. Like in a little bit, it's gonna snow. Yeah, should we watch some Koopa and Friends? Yeah, that's the funniest show ever. Let's watch it.
Huh? The shark again? I need something. What do I need? Die, short! Get this weapon. What?
You're supposed to do something funny.
What? Wait, I'm good. After I say
Stop! Yeah, we're about to ban Koopa's channel if he's doing this again.
the dinosaur again? Done. You dumb. Sorry. Do you want a Mario Kart Live?
Yes, I do.
Okay, I'll go buy one.
Yeah, you better, guys, make sure to subscribe again. I'm back. Woo! Did it say that it's gonna get banned? Yeah, it's the funniest show ever. Yeah, I wasn't even laughing because it said, okay, now I'm gonna go say, and it said stop it, it's gonna ban the channel. Oh no, we have to go to Koopa. I have a bounty pad. Okay, so yep, it says that it's right down there. So that's where he makes his TV shows. Really? Yep.
Yep.
Okay, so where do we go? You just said, okay, let's
Down
go.
there.
Yeah, no, okay, let's go. What about that cat right there? No, I'll do it. You guys stay there, okay? You guys just sit down and watch like a movie or something. All right, I'm gonna go. See you in a minute.
Hi guys, I'm back.
Oh, hey, I'm not gonna hurt you. Do you heard? I'm not. Are you recording a TV show?
Well, I think,
Hold on, let me check the cameras. Nope, you're not. Okay, I just want to claim that I saw your new TV show, and it said that you're gonna get banned. So I was trying to help you because you're the funniest
Yeah,
show ever.
that dinosaur in the shark came. The shark came first, and then the dinosaur came. I was like hitting the shark.
Yeah, I know, I saw. If your channel gets banned, then I'll pay you a lot of money. If those people subscribe, if they're watching it.
Okay.
Okay, so you gonna come to my house? I can help you.
Yeah, I guess.
Okay, let's go.
Wait! Ow.
Pause. I hope he's coming back with Koopa. I don't know if he is. Okay, you guys, just got Koopa. He's
Hi,
right
guys.
here. Hi. I heard that your TV show's gonna get banned. Yeah.
Yeah, that dinosaur said that.
Yeah, we know. We saw it on your show. Yep. We have to do something. Yeah, we have to do something.
Yeah, I don't know what to do.
If your channel got banned, Koopa, then I don't know what to do. Then we just have to. Do we have to watch Charlie and Friends? Yeah. I guess so. Oh wait, let's watch it. Koopa, watch it. Koopa and Friends is gonna get banned in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, okay, it blowed up. Now we have to watch Charlie and Friends. Well, I hope it's good. Yeah, let's watch it. Okay. Alright, should we watch Charlie and Friends?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see what it is. Okay.
Charlie and Friends is filmed live on
Oh, hi guys. I'm Charlie. Hey, wait. Did I fall asleep in the bathtub again? Oh, silly me. I'm getting hungry though. I think I'm gonna go get something to eat. Let me get in my car. Oh, I forgot we have stairs here. I'm feeling a little edgy today. I think I'm gonna dive head first. What car am I going to drive today? I know. Mamma mia. Whew. This is a hot ride. And I'm ready to get something to eat. It's time for breakfast. I'll go to the window then.
I'm almost there, guys.
get a sausage burrito, please?
Get whatever you want.
Thank you. You too. I got my order, guys. Now it's time to get my food. Before I wreck. Burrito mild sauce? Burrito mild sauce. Thank you, sir. You have a good day. You too. Hi, I'm Charlie. I'm almost home, guys. Come on. Shucks. Looks like my car broke down. You know what that means when your car breaks down? You gotta hoo-hoo. Oh, suck at that too. Oh, hi guys. I'm mini coughing now. Oh, the hole's right over there. All I have to do is just go over this little hill and then it should just go in. Shouldn't be that hard. Let me get in my stance. Touchdown! I did it, guys! Oh, boy, am I thirsty. But there's no cups. You know what that means. That's good. Oh, man. I had a long, fulfilling day today. I did so many things. But now, I'm getting a little sleepy, guys. So that's the movie. I think I'm gonna take a nap. Oh.
Okay, that was actually a movie for 5 minutes, and that was kind of funny. Yeah, that was really funny. Yeah, I like it. I like Charlie and Friends way better than Koopa and Friends. Me too. Me three.
Me 4.
Koopa, we kind of like your channel, but it got banned, so you can leave.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Ow.
Alright, okay. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like the video and hit the bell.